Good afternoon, student. Welcome to the VVPS e-learning classes. In the previous video, I have explained you about the Indian Constitution. In that topic is what is a constitution. Today we will start the new topic that why is a constitution needed by a country. कि हम लोग के देश में constitution क्यों ज़रूरी है. So here first of all, most of the country in the world have a constitution. Most of the constitution are written like those of India and the US. In the previous video, I have told you that India is the country which have the longest constitution in the world. So some country like England have an unwritten constitution. मतलब उनकी जो constitution है वो unwritten है. So they follow rules and regulation based on the convictions and the traditions. Means if they have any problems, then they can make a large meetings there and then they can solve their problem. Almost all democratic country have a constitutions. The constitution serve many purposes, like first it lay down certain ideals and explaining the basic structure or the fundamental nature of our society. Various community having different interests and aspirations live in a country. Their ideals and belief may be opposites or the contraries, means it may be against it. A constitution contain a set of fundamental ideals and principles that the countrymen agree upon. This include the way the country is to be governed, the ideal and principle that have to be followed by the citizens. मतलब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस के ज़रिए ही सिटीजन्स को ये पता चलता है कि क्या रूल रेगुलेशन है जो उन्हें फॉलो करने हैं, क्या उनके राइट्स हैं. In other words, a constitution lay out the type of polities and society of a country. These all are explained in the preamble of the constitution. So children, up to here it is clear that why a constitution needed by a country. Now we will write the main point. First, what I have said you that why a constitution is needed by a country. You can write here that a constitution is needed by a government because of the following reasons. You can give some examples. Because of the following reason. उसके कुछ कारण हैं जो आपको बताने हैं. जैसे जस्ट अभी मैंने आपको समझाया कि क्या क्या कारण है. The first one you can write here that it is an important law of the land. This is the first point. The second point you can write here that it determines the relationship of the citizens with the government. It determines the relationship of the citizen with the government. And the third point I have told you that what it lay down certain ideals it lays down certain ideals explaining the basic structure or the fundamental nature of our society. of our society. So children, up to here it is clear. These were the three main reasons that why a constitution needed by a country. The topic is not totally complete. In the next video, I will explain you the remaining part. Okay. Thank you, class.